What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. Let the vlog begin. Yeah. Great, like I can care less about. Alright, first things first, I want to apologize because I thought this was just something with my screen, but it's actually something with my camera. I'm not 100% sure what's going on. Pretty sure this camera's done for in the worst way possible, which sucks because I'm trying to work on the car and now I'm probably gonna have to either buy a new camera or get it repaired, which is probably gonna be expensive. But in today's video, we are going to install this new lip. Shout out to the homie M3 Yada. It's one or the other. I'm sorry if I butchered your name, bruh. IG right here. I got it from him. He's got this beautiful M3, all white with the carbon fiber. And yeah, he had a lip. He switched to a carbon fiber lip, and he gave me his. So it's inside of my house. This will basically be the last time you guys see the Beamer looking like this. And I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of slack for it because I'm putting the lip on before I even do like the suspension and stuff. But don't worry, literally 2 weeks from now, 2 videos from now, we will be on the ground. And we're probably gonna be on this because there's some stuff with my wheels that literally is trash. So, but yeah, let's just get started. There's a couple things that I'm nervous about with this lip. First things first, my bumper is honestly not properly installed into the car. I literally just have it holding on to these slides right here on both sides. And it's been holding up. I've had the bumper for months now, hasn't fallen, so I'm not too worried about it. The issue is the fact that I'm gonna have this lip now, and if the lip gets caught on something, it could potentially pull onto this and this could fall off, and then that could be a disaster. Let's get this inside. It's also wet because it was raining. And let's clean it off and get ready to install this. Oh, I gotta grab something. Alright, so here's the lip. And it's going right on there. I don't know, man. Still kind of iffy on it, but it does look like it's gonna be good. I'm just not sure. I got Dad helping me out. What's good?
What's good?
Make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. Post right there, right there. Drop a follow. Show him some love. So first things first, we just gotta figure out as far as placement. It looks like it's gonna be able to fit like right along the lips and stuff. So all right, we finna do it. After some discussing, some talking, it's about to happen. Make sure you got your handy dandy self tappers on you. Luckily this is the bottom of the bumper, so if I don't like it I can just take it out. It won't be an issue.
Dang.
You good? Do your thing. Ooh, my heart. We gotta have this joint extra secure. No issues. Sheesh. I actually really like the way that sits. Yeah, we're in there, boys. I actually really like it. We're about to go put it on the Beamer and see how I feel. Y'all know it wouldn't be a Champ Vlogs video if he wasn't recording when it's getting dark out. Oh my god. Come on. There we go.
Look at it. She in there like swimwear. Actually, it looks slick.
Oh, I actually like that a lot. Oh, that actually looks really good. Man, y'all Y'all tell me what y'all think. That actually looks really cool. Yeah, it's too dark, so I'm gonna take us to like a gas station in a little bit just so y'all can see it in some light, but it looks so good from. All right, so we and my dad are about to go ahead and run to the gas station real quick just so you guys can get a better view of the car. It looks so much better with some light. And also I want to show you guys his truck. This is one of his trucks that he's kind of working on and getting stuff done to it, so show you some of that when we get there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks hard. I really like that. I don't know, it just gives the bumper so much more definition to it. A little bit more character. Sheesh. Gotta love it. Got to. Jeez. And this is my dad's truck. Sheesh. Nice little Lincoln Navigator. This originally was like, I think it was like gray. Well, I can't remember the color, but he got some Nardo wrap and had someone wrapped it. So now he's got the whole Nardo around the whole truck. It looks pretty dope. He did a lot of interior work. Got some carbon fiber done on the inside. Little stuff like that. He's working on the wheels. He did the tail lights himself. Did the tent himself. It's dope. I like it.
Bad.
Ooh, got the colors.
Yeah, we're gonna blow it.
Yes. That's so dope.
Say again, John Doe.
This thing is nice. See, did the carbon fiber all right here. Both sides, did it right there. He did all this black. All by himself. Trying to, type of level I'm trying to be on. Carbon fiber everywhere. And then he got a screen trying to get put into. Swap that one out for the new screen.
I'm about to put that in. That's the original.
Yeah, it's the original one. He's gonna swap it out for a new one. And if y'all wanna see some more of what he's gonna be doing with this truck, let me know in the comment section below, because I definitely will record videos. He's got a lot more to do. Got wheels, headlights, little stuff like that. It's way more to do. He just actually got done wrapping these. He wrapped it. How clean that thing looks. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I know it's a boring vlog, but that's gonna be all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are brand new. We got more content on the way, more modifications for the Beamer coming very soon. Coilovers in 2 weeks. I'm beyond excited. The mod that should have been done a long time ago, it's finally happening and I'm so excited for it. So just stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. It's your boy Chan Vlogs, and we out. Yes, sir.